Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Happy Diwali and Shubha Deepavali to all of you. I know I am the last one to wish you all happy Diwali and sharing this video when we almost reached December. I was not active on social media for last few months, so here I am with this Diwali video. I thought it's better to be late than never. So with that note, let's start the Diwali celebration. Most of our Diwali and non-Diwali days starts with a strong cup of masala tea. So first thing I'm trying to do here is adding some water and bringing it to boil, adding some grated ginger, cardamom and tea pouches. Lastly, adding a cup of milk, sugar and bringing it to boil. This year's Diwali celebration is way more simpler than any other Diwali celebration. We got lot of fresh flowers, we lit lot of candles and also made some homemade sweets. On this auspicious day, I tried to do this dry fruits katli. To make this in this NutriNinja food processor jar, I started adding 1 cup of almond, pistachio and cashew and mixed it coarsely. In a heavy bottomed fry pan, I added a half can of condensed milk and started to bringing it to boil. After a few minutes, I started adding 1 cup of coarsely grinded coconut powder, or you can use desiccated coconut. I was not very sure how this will turn out, but at the end it all turned out really nice, even though I tried it for the first time. After a few minutes of adding dry coconut powder, I also added all the dry fruit mixture slowly. Since I am continuously stirring and continuously roasting this, it's coming together. You can see it's becoming a thick paste, and also I will stir it till the time it starts leaving from the edges. So now you can see this paste is now becoming even more thicker and ready to be put it in a plate. So I transferred this plate into a thick bottomed plate and then rolled using my hands. Now this dry fruits katli is ready to cut it in any shape that you like. Back in India, in any auspicious day, we also celebrate putting these rangoli designs, also decorate with lot of colors. So today I have some rangoli powder, pink and white. So I also tried to make some design using just the hands, but it came out really well. It was just not the dry fruit katli, we also enjoyed a lot of sweet and snacks shared by our friends. Let's come to the fun part of this Diwali, that is lighting up the diyas and enjoying the decoration. Winter days, fully decorated house, scented diyas, freshly made sweets, homemade food, Indian attire and lots of photos and videos. What else required on this special occasion? I like decorating the house, making the food and enjoying these festivities. No matter how busy in our lives, I always believe that it's a good idea to celebrate our rituals and festivals. It will bring a lot of positivity and happiness to our lives. Did you like our simple decoration? Please let me know in the comment box below. One of the biggest part of our celebration is the food. I ended up making lot of puri, chole, pulao rice and salad. There was also a firecracker celebration in our neighborhood. We also joined them for a while and enjoyed the Diwali evening with lot of lights and candles and crackers. We also have a huge Indian community in Scotland. We celebrated 2021 Diwali in Edinburgh. We couldn't celebrate any of the festivities in a community last few years because of COVID restrictions. This year we are so happy to celebrate it within our community. I also have a complete video on how we celebrate Diwali festival in Edinburgh. I will link it below. I really appreciate the hard work and the performance given by all the artists on these winter evenings. There were also a lot of Scottish dance and music. We enjoyed it very much. We also enjoyed Indian street food while we watched performance. At the end of the celebration, we also enjoyed fireworks in Edinburgh. I will now let you enjoy the performances from Edinburgh Diwali celebration. Also, if you enjoy this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.